Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Azblink Smart Border Controller. In this video, we'll walk you through the most frequently asked questions and essential setup tips for Azblink's secure communication platform. Whether you're a network administrator or a business owner, understanding how to configure system time, language, and basic network settings is crucial. Begin by showing you how to access the system control panel, where you can set the system clock and choose your preferred language for the web interface. These settings ensure your logs and communications are accurate and localized. Next, we'll briefly touch on the importance of using the correct admin credentials and changing the default password for security. Let's get started with the basics before diving into more advanced features in the following scene. Now that you're familiar with the initial setup, let's move on to configuring your network and firewall. Azblink supports both public and private IP addresses. Public IPs are needed for external access, while private IPs keep your internal network secure. You'll learn how to set up DHCP for automatic IP assignment and how to avoid address conflicts between LAN and WAN. Also explain NAT, which allows multiple devices to share a single public IP, and how to use the firewall to block or allow specific traffic. Understanding port forwarding in DNAT is key for directing incoming requests to the right internal servers. We'll show you how to add, modify, or remove firewall rules, and why it's important to restart the system after changes. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid grasp of Azblink's network security fundamentals. Let's take your Azblink system to the next level by exploring VPN, VoIP, and advanced communication features. Azblink enables secure VPN connections for both site-to-site and mobile users, ensuring safe remote access to your network. We'll guide you through setting up VPN address pools, generating and managing certificates, and understanding the difference between routing and bridging modes. VoIP, you'll see how to configure SIP and IAX accounts, set dial plans, and integrate with analog phone systems or IMS providers. We'll also cover backup and restore procedures, user account management, and email server integration. By leveraging these advanced tools, you can create a robust, flexible, and secure communication environment for your organization. Stay tuned for a quick summary and best practices in our final scene. Wrap up, let's review some best practices and troubleshooting tips for Azblink Smart Border Controller. Always keep your firmware and software updated to the latest version for security and stability. Regularly back up your configuration files and user data, and test your restore process to ensure business continuity. If you encounter issues with network access, double-check your firewall rules, NAT settings, and IP assignment. VPN or VoIP problems, verify certificate validity, port configurations, and user permissions. Remember to use strong, unique passwords for all admin and user accounts and limit access based on roles. For email and DNS integration, ensure your MX and SPF records are correctly set up to avoid delivery issues. With these practices, you'll maximize the reliability and security of your Azblink deployment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to consult the official manual for detailed guidance on any advanced scenarios.